All right, welcome to A Pays to Save, smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. This is a spreadsheet step in the spreadsheet series, and today we're going to discuss the debt dashboard. So compared to the last spreadsheet, this one's going to go really quickly, but it's very important. You need a visual record of your overall debt, and you need one place to record it, monitor it, and reduce it. So we're just going to pick this cell right here. We're going to call it our debt dashboard. And we're going to start listing all of our debt. For instance, your credit card. And let's say you have 3, unfortunately. And let's say you have 2 car payments. You can list this as a Toyota or Ford or mine and hers, whatever. You could list these as your Chase, your MasterCard, whatever you want to do. You can call these whatever you like. I'm just going to drag this over so the lines fit in the cell. So maybe you have an equity loan. Or a 401k loan. And I'm going to put mortgage in here. And again, we discussed this before. A lot of people don't include mortgage as debt because you do need a place to live. You need a roof over your head. So you can put it in there if your goal is to get that down to 0. But we'll discuss at a later point that it may not be the best idea to pay that mortgage down, especially if you have a very low interest rate. You can make more money making more interest in the market. So this is a very simple one like I mentioned. We're just going to left click on this, drag it down, let go, right click, and format the cells to our favorite currency with the dollar symbol and the 2 decimal points. And we are going to grab the top left, drag it down to 1 below, and we're going to go over and create borders around everything. And this will be your total debt. I'm going to uppercase all of that. I'm going to bold it because I want it to be very important and stand out because our goal is to get this down to 0. So this cell we're going to highlight. We're going to go to the keyboard on our desk, hit the equal sign, go up to the top, plus, 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 plus. Oh, look at that, no debt. However, you got to fill in the rest. So let's say you have $5,000 debt on your biggest card and you have $2,500 on another, $1,000 on another. And I just realized this shouldn't be car payment. It should be your car note. So I'm going to change that wording. And on this car, you have $7,000 left on the balance. And on another car, you have $3,500 left on the balance. Let's say you don't have an equity loan, but you did borrow $1,500 from your 401k. And with this example, your total debt is $20,000. Hopefully yours isn't that high. Maybe your credit card is only $3,000, $2,000, and $500. I just can't stand looking at a number that high. It hurts to even look at it. But your goal is to get that down to 0. And by having all of your debt in one place on your dashboard that you're going to hit every week, you can see it, you can see that it's real, and hopefully you can work with the drowning in debt step to bring that down to 0. It's possible, it's doable. I've done it, and it doesn't take that much. Just a couple extra $100 a month, perhaps your rollovers, is all you need to get that down to 0. So this is part of the drowning in debt step. So we're going to go with red on this one. And that is your debt dashboard. Okay, great. We're working our way through drowning in debt. And moving on to step 18, Americans in debt. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and visit paystosave.com, where you can find the workbooks and ebooks that go along with the program, the customizable spreadsheets, newly released and updated content, even some exclusive content, limited time offers, and even some freebies. Again, that's at paystosave.com, where you can find everything you need for your financial freedom.